Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen. Today in Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe we're going to do in Selvin Kitchen. So thank you guys to watching Selvin Kitchen videos. Thank you guys to share the video with your friends and family. All of my new subscriber them, welcome to the family. We are one big family. All of my old subscriber them, thank you guys to stick to Selvin Kitchen and watching Selvin Kitchen. Guys, when you're watching my video them, I'm asking you guys for one favor. Please give me a thumbs up and please send me a comment. And people, anybody's try any of my recipe, then please take a video of you guys cooking it and send it to me. I want to see it. Okay, so in Selvin Kitchen we're gonna do a spicy chicken heart, people, because we're always doing something new in Selvin Kitchen. So we are 1 kg of chicken heart. So hi guys, so we are 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, we have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, we have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season, we have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, we have 1 teaspoon of dry thyme and parsley, we have 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, we have a pinch of salt, we have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Over here we have half of green bell pepper, we have half of orange bell pepper, we have half of yellow bell pepper, we have 1 onion, we have a piece of lime we're going to use, we have half of red bell pepper, we have 1 stalk of spring onion, we have 1 chili pepper, we have 3 cloves of garlic. We have some oil over here we're going to use. We have around 6 tablespoons of oil we're going to use to fry the chicken heart. It's in Selvin Kitchen, people, spicy chicken heart. Yes people, in Selvin Kitchen today guys, we're gonna do a spicy chicken heart. Okay, you know, when it comes to Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So now I'm just gonna mix up all the seasoning together. Mix up everything together, people. So I'm gonna season up this chicken heart. We're gonna leave it to marinate. So just sprinkle some of it over it. I'm gonna leave back some of it when I'm looking after the onion and the bell pepper and the garlic. So now I'm just gonna rub it up. You can smell all of that seasoning already, people. That seasoning just waking up. So this is gonna be a spicy chicken heart. Now a lot of people never tried chicken heart before. Remember when I was growing up, my grandmom and my grandfather, we used to raise a lot of fowl and duck. And when they kill the chicken, they always look out for the chicken liver and the chicken heart. We always roast it on the fire outside. So anybody who was growing up in the Caribbean or anywhere in the world eat chicken heart, please send me a comment, or chicken liver. Send me a comment, people, let me know what you think about this recipe. So now I'm just gonna leave this to marinate for around 20 minutes and then I fry it. Yes guys, so I put on the pot on the fire with some oil. That my oil is fully hot. It's hot till it's smoking. So now I'm just gonna add in the chicken heart. So any of you guys try this recipe, please make a little small video and send it to me and let me see if you guys try this recipe at home. Anybody try any of my recipe, then take a little small video and send it to me, let me see. Looking at people, so I'm gonna leave that now. I'm gonna turn up this stove a little bit higher. And the people. Yes people, so my chicken heart been on the fire for the last 5 minutes. So it's coming down nicely, the color is changing. Look at that, people. So I ain't gonna fry it too crispy, too dry. Beautiful. Yes guys, look at that people. Nice and beautiful. That looks delicious already. So anybody try this recipe, please send me a comment and please take a video of it and send it to me. Let me see it and tell me what you guys think about this recipe. Spicy chicken heart people in Selvin Kitchen. We always have some new recipe doing in Selvin Kitchen. So please hit that notification bell. Please share it with your friends and family, and please give me a thumbs up. Gonna people. And that. Yes people, so this is all finished now. Look at that people. So I'm just gonna take it off of the fire, and I'm just gonna strain off the oil off of it. Use my strainer. So I don't want this to soak in the oil and get soggy. So this is chicken heart people said. Hi guys, so I just take off the chicken heart. I ain't gonna wash out this pot. I'm gonna use this same frying pan what I used to. So all of this look a bit on the edges. We're gonna use that so that all of the season, all of the taste, all of the beautiful taste that we're looking for in this. This recipe, if you invite your friends over for a drink, you guys can look up for this recipe and you guys can sit down and enjoy this little snack. It's a beautiful recipe. It's not a difficult recipe. So the same oil what I use to fry the chicken heart, I'm just gonna add around a tablespoon and a half in it. Cause this oil have all this seasoning, all of the spice and everything in it already. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add in the bell pepper, the onion, the garlic, everything like that. The Scotch bonnet pepper, I'm gonna put half of the Scotch bonnet pepper for the time being. I don't want to put all of the Scotch bonnet pepper and it's too hot. So put in the Scotch bonnet pepper to you guys tolerance. A lot of people cannot take spice. A lot of people like it when it's spicy. So put into your tolerance. So it's gonna burn off this for around 5 minutes. So remember people, in Selvin Kitchen we're always doing something new. We look for spicy chicken heart. Yes people, this on it for the last 2 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add in the rest of the season, rest of the dry season. Give it a nice stir. So I'm gonna stir up all of that seasoning in it. So now I'm gonna add in oyster sauce and the soy sauce together. And now I did squeezing off a lime. Get all of that lime juice out people. It's optional. If you don't have lime, you have lemon, you can use the lemon. Or you can use the lemon juice. Just use around a tablespoon of lemon juice. Oh, you want to smell all of that seasoning and everything coming up with that people. That's just beautiful. That tastes delicious. Put a little bit in your hand and taste it. If you need a little bit more salt, you can add a little bit more salt in it. Oh. That pepper is strong. Yes people, this on the fire for the last 3 minutes. Give it 1 more minute and then ready to go. Guys, I just have Have the chicken heart a while ago, people. I'm telling you. Oh, I don't know what to say. Mind blowing. Look at that, people. It's chicken heart. Finger licking. So guys, if you try this recipe, please let me know. Send me a comment. And please share it with your friends and family at home. Tell them about Selvin Kitchen, because we're always doing something new in Selvin Kitchen. We have a lot more recipe coming out. So guys, this is all finished now. Yes guys, so I'm all finished now. So now I'm just gonna share out some of the chicken liver. As I said, you can have this with a bottle of Guinness, because I love my Guinness. Who don't drink Guinness, you can drink it with beer, people. Invite your friends over. Look how fried crispy chicken heart. It's nice and spicy. Because you know that in Selvin Kitchen, people, we're always doing something new. So try this recipe, people, and tell me what you guys think. Look at that, guys. My mouth just dripping water. I've two of them a while ago. And so delicious, people. I ain't telling no lie. I ain't saying that because I me prepare it and me cook it. It's delicious. Just gonna have some garnish over it. Look at that, people. Beautiful. Yes, people, so tell me what you guys think about this recipe. Tell me what you guys think about it. Tell me. Yes, people. So in Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. Look at that, people. Chicken liver. We're gonna do some chicken liver next time. I'm gonna do some jerk chicken liver, but no, in Selvin Kitchen, spicy chicken heart. Yes guys, thank you guys to watching Selvin Kitchen today. Thank you guys to share the video with your friends and family, because in Selvin Kitchen we're always doing something new. So people, this is my recipe in Selvin Kitchen for today. But so please send me a comment, please give me a thumbs up for the video, and tell me what you guys think. In Selvin Kitchen we're always doing something new. So I will see you guys in the next video. Everybody walk good, stay safe. Selvin Kitchen, take care, bye.